In this video, I will show you how to create a route or path in Google Earth and then transfer your route to your Garmin GPS. And then I'll show you how to take the track that you created on your GPS from your last hike and save it back in to Google Earth. When I go backpacking, I use a Garmin 600 or a Garmin 550T. I also take a Garmin InReach satellite phone, but the process of transferring route files back and forth between this phone and Google Earth is a little different, and I will not be covering that process in this video. First thing we want to do is plug the GPS into the USB port on the computer. So now I'll start Google Earth. And I've already got a bunch of routes and things in there, so I'll just click on my Yellowstone folder here to center my map on Yellowstone. And you notice how all the trails in Yellowstone are highlighted in red, along with the campgrounds. The way you do that is you go to More, go to Parks, Recreation Areas, go to U.S. National Parks, and go down here to Trails. So turn the trails off and turn them back on. Go up here into the northwest corner. And you can see this is Fan Creek. Let's say I want to create a route, in this example, up Fan Creek. I'll go up here and select Add Path. Call it Fan Creek. And I'll start here at the trailhead. And let's say I want to hike, I don't know, up to this point here. Now I'll go in and refine it a little bit. I want to keep my path right on the trail. So I'll just go through and add all these little spots along the path. And you can zoom in and make this as accurate as you want. This is just a quick example. Okay, that looks pretty good. Save it. Now I can take a look at my route, go in here, show elevation profile. I can see it's about 2.5 miles up, 2.5 miles back, about 5-mile round trip, and it has an elevation gain of about 428 vertical feet. Now I want to save my route. Select Fan Creek. Go up here, File. Save. Save place as. Change it to a KML file. It's going to be saved to Google Earth Routes, a folder that I have. Save that. I've already got one out there, so I'll just replace it. Okay, I have it saved out there as a flat file. Okay, now I'll start up Garmin Basecamp. Okay, there's my Oregon 550T right there. Go up here to File, Import, import my Fan Creek KML file. There it is. Close this. You can see my path that I created right there. Now I just want to send that to the GPS device. And I've got it. So if I select there, I've got a couple other paths in there, but you can see my Fan Creek is right there, ready to navigate. Now, let's say we have a route or a track recorded on our GPS, and we want to transfer that to Google Earth. Here's an old one I've got on there already, Mount Everett. There it is right there in Yellowstone National Park. So I'll highlight that. File, export selected user data, change it to a KML file, export, now go to your Google Earth, File, Open. There's the flat file I saved over in Garmin. There is the route. It's got all kinds of funny things in there, but we'll clean that up. It's always saved into temporary places. Right there. And right there, that's the file that I want. So I'll copy that and delete all of this other stuff. And go up here and save it into my Yellowstone folder. And there it is. Don't like black. Change the color. Style and color. Change that to blue. And there's the track that I made on my GPS. Copied it from Garmin Basecamp into Google Earth. Here's my route right here. You can see it's about 11.4 miles long, about 1,834 vertical feet. So now I have it saved into Google Earth.